Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will visit Maharashtra on the 5th of October. He will travel to Washim and at around 11:15 am, he will perform darshan at Jagdamba Mata Temple, Pohara Devi. He will also pay tribute at Samadhis of Sant Sevalal Maharaj and Sant Ramrao Maharaj in Washim. Thereafter, at around 11:30 am, Prime Minister will inaugurate the Banjara Virasat Museum, celebrating the rich heritage of the Banjara community. At around 12 noon, he will launch several initiatives related to the agricultural and animal husbandry sector worth around 23,300 crore rupees. At around 4 pm, Prime Minister will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone for various development projects worth over 32,800 crore rupees at Thane. Thereafter at around 6 pm, from BKC metro station, he will flag off the metro train scheduled to run from BKC to RAJVLR, Mumbai. He will also undertake a ride in the metro between BKC and Santa Cruz stations. PM in Washim. In line with his commitment to empower farmers, Prime Minister will disburse the 18th installment of the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi worth about 20,000 crore rupees to around 9.4 crore farmers. With the 18th installment release, the total funds released to farmers under PM Kisan will be around 3.45 lakh rupees crore. Further, Prime Minister will also launch the 5th installment of Namo Shetkari Mahasanman Nidhi Yojana disbursing about 2,000 crore rupees. Prime Minister will dedicate to the nation more than 7,500 projects under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, AIF, worth over 1,920 crore rupees. The major projects include custom hiring centers, primary processing units, warehouses, sorting and grading units, cold storage projects, post-harvest management projects among others. Prime Minister will also dedicate to the nation 9,200 farmer-producer organizations, FPOs, with a combined turnover of around 1,300 crore rupees. Further, Prime Minister will launch the Unified Genomic Chip for Cattle and Indigenous Sex-Sorted Semen Technology. This initiative aims to increase availability of sex-sorted semen at affordable price to farmers and reduce the cost by around 200 rupees per dose. Unified Genomic Chip, GAU chip for indigenous cattle and MAHISHCHIP for buffaloes, have been developed along with genotyping services. With the implementation of genomic selection, young high-quality bulls can be identified at an early age. Further, Prime Minister will dedicate 5 solar parks with a total capacity of 19 megawatts across Maharashtra under Mukhyamantri Saur Krishi Vahini Yojana 2.0. During the program, he will also honor beneficiaries of the Mukhyamantri Maji Ladki Bahin Yojana. PM in Thane in a major push to boost urban mobility in the region. Prime Minister will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of key metro and road projects. Prime Minister will inaugurate the BKC to RAJVLR section of Mumbai Metro Line 3 worth around 14,120 crore rupees. This section will have 10 stations, of which 9 will be underground. Mumbai Metro Line 3 is a key public transport project that will improve commuting between Mumbai city and suburbs. Fully operational Line 3 is expected to cater to about 12 lakh passengers daily. Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone of Thane Integral Ring Metro Rail project to be constructed at the cost of around 12,200 crore rupees. The total length of the project is 29 kilometers with 20 elevated and 2 underground stations. This ambitious infrastructure project is a key initiative to address the growing transportation needs of Thane, a major industrial and commercial hub in Maharashtra. Prime Minister will also lay the foundation stone of elevated Eastern Freeway extension from Chira Nagar to Anand Nagar. Thane worth around 3,310 crore rupees. The project will provide seamless connectivity from South Mumbai to Thane. Further, Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone of Phase 1 of Navi Mumbai Airport Influence Notified Area (NENA) project worth around 2,550 crore rupees. The project comprises construction of major arterial roads, bridges, flyovers, underpasses and integrated utility infrastructure. Prime Minister will also lay the foundation stone of Thane Municipal Corporation to be constructed at a cost of around 700 crore rupees. The high-rise administrative building of Thane Municipal Corporation will provide benefits to citizens of Thane by accommodating most municipal offices at a centrally located building.